Here we go. You can hear, there went one. Sirens are wailing. And that means we've got incoming coming in from Gaza. Ça va donc? Whoa, well, there went one boom. That was the Iron Dome taking out something, but it was pretty far away. And the sirens are dying down, so I hope we're okay.